I have been organizing and preparing. I know you can't see me very well, thankfully, no makeup, but we're going to go ahead and put our color stacks in our little envelopes that I made. And yeah, I have some dimensional things, and I have some papers and some stickers. So we'll put that in there. Hold on one second. I dropped my Blanche Devereaux from Golden Girls. So let's go ahead and put. I'm so excited. I've had this in the works for some time now. Pinks. Look at these gorgeous flamingos. I know you see if you can see that. Isn't that beautiful? The little baby. Oh my goodness. Oh, look who else we have. Dolly. I'm going to be putting my pink Mr. Bubble Bath package in my book. This Bud Light packaging, which is blue. So I can make this a tip-in. A black and white ribbon. And hello, a googly eye. From the Dollar Tree, I also picked up a little, next up it's orange. And of course, I have to put a Tennessee Vols window cling in there. I even have some asparagus. Finally, I wanted to go through this deconstructed jewelry and find some things for the colored glue book that I can add. And one of them I see right away is one of these poppies, the Remembrance Day poppies. So I definitely am going to add that. Buddy Poppy. Love it. So we'll add that. And then see if I see anything to stand out. We could do a couple pink flowers maybe. Oh, look, here we go. An iron-on patch. Yes, definitely. We have, oh, just try to find some. Oh, I have a little heart I can add to the red ones. Yeah, I'm going to put it in the colored glue book. I was just thinking, oh, save it for the heart box. I have plenty of hearts. Isn't that so pretty? It's an orange. It has some real dimension to it. Do I want to use it? It's pretty heavy. I'm not sure. I'm going to hold off on that. We have, oh, that's pretty. See, sometimes I don't know. I think it's sort of like peach. So maybe I would add that to the orange color. I'm not sure. All right. This is pretty for the white. It's a little bit heavy, but that's okay. I could use that. Ooh, I think I want to put that in for the white. It has a big ball on top, so I'm not sure about that. I'm trying to make it like big, but not too big. Oh, this is perfect. See what I do is I like it has that little hook on the back. Can you guys see that? And I just have a plier thing and I go whoosh, and I just pop it right off. Oh, that's pretty. I can put this in the metallic. Finding some treasures, guys. Yellow and blue mermaid. Red. Oh, yeah, let's put that in the red. Go wild. Isn't that adorable? I love this tiger one. So some of these, it's like, what majority color would you know? We have a basketball, so blonde. I could put this in the yellow. Yeah, let's put that in yellow. That is so funny, the blonde club. I used to be a blonde. And then we have a green. Oh, good. Oh, here's a Hello Kitty. This was a watch band. I think I'll put that in the white. Let's see, we have this side with the bows. I think I'll do the Hello Kitty. That'll glue right in there. Oh, it's a white butterfly though. Oh, now that might be cute in the blue one. It's like an imitation or reproduction bingo. Yeah, I don't have anything for blue. Let's do that. Well, I'll definitely have to make sure. And then we have a red one. Absolutely. Oh, seriously? Seriously? There's nothing pokey in here. We have a metallic Barbie pin and some French fries. It says treat yourself. So I don't know if I would put that under red or yellow. So we'll just not put it at all, at least for now. All right. Oh, I'd love to add this. It's like a little jar of glitter. Oh, here's the yellow. It says LOL. Nope. We'll definitely put that in there. Oh, for the rainbow, we have a peace sign. Yeah. A blue and gold hornet or something. Huh. It's pretty neat. All right, members, let's do a little bit of gluing. I almost said coloring. Let's do a little bit of gluing in our mini color glue book. You guys are getting the first, what do you call it? You guys are getting the first bits of seeing me glue in it. And every time that I do a video in this, you guys will see it first as a little extra bonus. So this is what that little composition book looked like before. And I, of course, wanted to do something a little bit special on the outside. So I just did the black letters and I put this pretty paper on it on the front and the back. All right, so what I thought I would do is I do have these little tiny tins that my Ben's mom gave me. Actually, that's super cute. It's like, it has some blues in it. So let's just put that in there. And I'm going to try really hard not to really think about it and to just do it. So I'm just going to go to my blue page. Oh, yes. Oh, look, another blue item, a little crab. Anywho, what I was thinking was I'm not going to put anything too thick in this one, you know, because, oh, there's a little drum. Do that little drum. Oh, it had a basketball on the other side. Just because I don't want it to get pink shell. How cute. I don't know what made me think of doing this little companion thing, but then my son was like, well, why don't you make it a special, you know, you can film a little bit in this mini one as exclusive content for your members. And I was like, yes. I think I'm just going to grab something little from the red. I see that watermelon there. Just trying to do little things. I had this little bit of glittery paper, so I thought I would just use like a little swatch of it. Look, I just said I don't want to put anything thick in here, and I was just getting ready to bunch that up. I can't not make things crazy. There we go. Yes, okay, we're going to yellow. I have the hiccups now. I'm going to yellow now, and I have, yep, hiccups. I have a little Monopoly money, miniature, I'm so sorry, guys. Miniature Monopoly, Monopoly money. Oh my goodness. It's a good thing you guys are my members. Okay, then. Just stick that right now. So I got this at the Dollar Tree. So think about that. I'm sure I just glued way too much stuff on that. That's what happens when you have the extra gene. Oh my. I was going through my vintage glue book images, and now I can incorporate all of those into like any of my other glue books, like this color glue book, my 3-ring binder, etc., because I have a whole, pardon me, a whole nother box full of the new vintage ephemera from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. So it was fun getting my washi tapes out that I hadn't used in a while. Let's put this in there. Look at that, gorgeous. Put this here. All these in all white. Just like that. That's fun. And then the next thing is like, oh, metallics. I have this little picture of like gold. So let's put that on there. Alrighty. I love it. And then finally we have rainbow or rainbow-ish. Some of the rainbows are like in the right order. Some of them are just sort of like that. And I do have some stickers. So let's do, I want to do, that's like a prism. Let's do, oh, a rainbow right in the sky. Let's do that. That is precious. We're going to put in our last picture in our mini glue book for you guys. And there we go. There we go. Wasn't that fun? Oh my goodness, this is going to be a sweet little book. So head over to the video, which should be, I'm going to put it where you guys have access to it first. whenever you see this, that time frame might have passed, but you'll get a notification that I put a video out for you guys. All right, guys, I'll see you later. I hope that you enjoyed everything. Okay, bye.